Why are you so sad? Why are you crying? Tell Mama. What's wrong? What is it? Why are you so sad? Why? Tell me. Why are you sad? Tell me. Why are you sad? Because why? Who? Who, babe? What Spurs players?
The first players on the basketball team.
Why do you think they're leaving?
Because they all left it.
Because they lost?
No, because they all sleeping and Tony.
Tony's not leaving.
No, not Tony, but
You think Duncan's leaving?
he says that.
You think Duncan's leaving?
I thought it was you.
Duncan's not leaving. We don't know that for sure.
But you said yes.
I didn't say that. The announcers on the TV said that might be Duncan's last game.
Oh.
What do you want to tell Duncan? What could you tell him? I bet he's not leaving.
But then said he is.
Well, they don't know everything.
But what if it's right?
What? You can't believe everything you hear on TV.
But what if they're right, Mommy?
Well, he had a really nice long career. Maybe he's tired. It's going to be all right. They had a good season.
My head hurts.
I know. It was a stressful game.